In this question, you're asked to find the distance from origin to the line joining the points cos theta sin theta and cos phi sin phi. So you have a point cos theta sin theta, you have another point cos phi sin phi. So if you join these 2 points, you get a straight line. What is the perpendicular distance from origin onto this line? Now, so how can we do this? Analytically, we can think of this line. So you can find the equation of this line because you have 2 points on the line. So once you find the equation, you have the formula for distance from origin. That is one way, by finding the equation of this line. And the second way is from geometry. We know that cos theta sin theta is a point on a unit circle such that the ray makes an angle of theta with x-axis. And cos phi sin phi is also a point on a unit circle such that this ray makes an angle of phi with x-axis. Now the angle between them is phi minus theta. This angle is phi minus theta. Now we know that if you take these 2 points as A and B, and if you draw the perpendicular distance, this perpendicular distance divides the chord AB into 2 equal halves. And using the trigonometric ratios, because this total angle is phi minus theta, half of this angle will be phi minus theta by 2. And using the trigonometric ratios, we can find this perpendicular distance. So let us do both these methods. The second method seems to be little easier. So in the second method, what you need to do is, let us first find AB. AB is equal to root of cos theta minus cos phi whole square plus sin theta minus sin phi whole square. That is equal to root of cos square theta plus sin square theta is 1. Cos square phi plus sin square phi is 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2 minus 2 times cos theta cos phi plus sin theta sin phi is cos of theta minus phi or phi minus theta. That is equal to root of 2 times 1 minus of cos theta is 2 sin square theta minus phi by 2. That is equal to modulus of 2 sin theta minus phi by 2. This is the length of AB. Now you want the perpendicular distance. So this is theta, this is phi. So this total angle is phi minus theta, and half of that angle is phi minus theta by 2. So in this triangle, tan of phi minus theta by 2 is equal to opposite side by perpendicular. Opposite side is half of AB. AB is the total side. Half of AB is mod of sin theta minus phi by 2 divided by the perpendicular distance. So obviously you know that here also you have mod. So sin theta minus phi by 2, sin theta minus phi by 2 gets cancelled. So P is equal to cos of theta minus phi by 2 mod. The other way to find the same answer is by finding the equation of line AB. So what is the equation of line AB? So we have 2 points on this line. So the equation is y minus y1. So y minus, let us take this as the point, y minus sin theta is equal to, the slope is sin theta minus sin phi by cos theta minus cos phi times x minus cos theta. So this is the equation of AB. So let us try to write it in the general form, that is in the one line. So cos sin theta minus phi by cos theta minus cos phi. Let us try to first simplify this. Sin theta minus sin phi by cos theta minus cos phi is equal to 2 sin c minus d by 2 cos c minus d by 2. divided by cos C minus cos D is minus 2 sin C plus D by 2 into sin C minus D by 2. 2 sin theta minus phi by 2, sin theta minus phi by 2 gets cancelled. That is equal to minus cos of theta minus phi by 2 by sin of theta, 2 sin theta minus phi by 2 cos theta plus phi by 2 plus phi by 2. So this is the slope. So if you substitute this here, if sin theta plus phi by 2 goes on to this side, so y sin theta plus phi by 2 minus sin theta times sin theta plus phi by 2 is equal to minus x times cos theta plus phi by 2 plus cos theta times cos of theta plus phi by 2. This implies x cos theta plus phi by 2 plus y sin theta plus phi by 2 is equal to cos theta times cos theta plus phi by 2 plus sin theta times sin theta plus phi by 2. This is the equation of this line. Now what is the distance of this line from origin? C by root of a square plus b square. The constant term by root of a square plus b square. So root of cos square theta plus phi by 2 plus sin square theta plus phi by 2 is equal to 1. So this is nothing but the perpendicular distance. So P is equal to mod of cos theta times cos theta plus phi by 2 plus sin theta times sin theta plus phi by 2. So you just need to simplify this. So this is of the form cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. That is nothing but cos of A minus B. Cos of theta minus of theta plus phi by 2. That is equal to mod of cos of theta minus phi by 2. So you can see that you got the exact same answer from the first method as well as the second method. Thank you.